Oyoyondake's kitchen, and this is day 3 of the Vlogmas. So today I'm bringing to you guys one of my best dishes. This is going to be shrimp smothered with some butter and garlic and drizzle with some lemon juice. So we are going to get into it, and I do thank you for watching. So right into it, we have our shrimps ready, all washed and clean. I made sure I use a paper kitchen napkin to like damp out the water to make sure it's clean. And here I have crushed garlic, I have crushed pepper, paprika, and a little of black pepper. And I'll be using 2 sticks of butter with my lemon and as well parsley for garnishing. So guys, let's get into it, and you'll be amazed how your guests will thank you this Christmas. Start by melting my butter. It's still a little bit hard, so I will be throwing it into the microwave to melt some more. I'll be using a skillet, and I have here iron cast skillet. And this we're going to start by laying them side by side. So watch me, guys. You can see we've laid the shrimp so nicely, and we're going to continue again with the next stage. Make sure everything is all done nicely. This is very delicious, and the presentation is out of this world. And I tell you, by the time you see the end of this recipe, you're definitely going to add it to your Christmas menu. Your family will really be amazed and thank you later, and your guests will be mesmerized. Alright, so guys, you can see we've laid our shrimp so nicely. Now we are going to get our seasoning. Here I have the garlic. I love garlic, so this is more than 5 cloves of garlic. And I have the paprika here as well, crushed pepper and black pepper. So we're going to mix nicely until combined. So guys, I'll be adding a pinch of salt as well into our mix. And then you continue to mix until everything is well combined. Remember, we have 2 sticks of butter, and we are making shrimp smothered with butter and garlic. Alright, the next thing we are going to start by drizzling the liquid into the shrimps. So you pour it nicely and make sure everything is nicely coated. And our garlic and the crushed pepper all settled at the bottom. It's nicely covered here. Ooh, it smells so good. So guys, our shrimp is ready. This recipe is best enjoyed if you use your grill to grill it. Unfortunately, it's winter, so we are going to make use of what we have. So we'll be getting it into the oven. So guys, our shrimp is done. After 20 minutes in the oven, this is how it came out, looking so good. So I'm not going to drizzle some parsley leaf on top, and then I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice on top, and more parsley leaf. This is so amazing. So guys, this is absolutely divine, and I'm going to pick one. Trust you for tasting. Ew. This is absolutely delicious. Give this menu a try, and I tell you, you're definitely going to add it into your Christmas menu. If you love seafood, or you're a fan of shrimps, you're going to love this one. Very simple, easy to make, it doesn't take time, and your guests will love you this Christmas, and your family will thank you as well. Thank you guys for watching my video today, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Stay well and be well.